Lean manufacturing is a methodology aimed at minimizing waste while maximizing productivity. Originating from the Toyota production system, it focuses on creating more value with fewer resources. This approach is essential for businesses seeking efficiency and competitiveness in today's market. The 5 principles of lean guide organizations in their lean journey. First, identify value from the customer's perspective. Next, map the value stream to understand the flow. Create flow by eliminating waste, establish pull to ensure demand-driven production, and seek perfection through continuous improvement. The 8 wastes, remembered by the acronym downtime, are key to understanding inefficiencies. They include defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing. Identifying and eliminating these wastes is crucial for lean success. Defects represent errors in products or services that require rework or result in scrap. For example, a mislabeled medication bottle must be discarded or reprinted. Reducing defects is vital for maintaining quality and customer satisfaction in lean manufacturing. Overproduction occurs when more is produced than needed or before it's needed. An example is printing 1,000 brochures when only 300 are required. This waste ties up resources and increases costs, highlighting the importance of aligning production with demand. Waiting is idle time when resources are not being used. For instance, a machine operator waiting for maintenance to fix an issue before continuing work. Reducing waiting times enhances productivity and ensures a smoother workflow in lean operations. Non-utilized talent refers to underusing people's skills, talents, or knowledge. An example is an experienced technician doing basic data entry instead of problem solving. Leveraging all employees' capabilities is essential for maximizing efficiency and innovation. Transportation waste involves unnecessary movement of materials or products. For example, moving components back and forth across the factory floor multiple times. Streamlining transportation reduces costs and improves process efficiency in lean systems. Excess inventory is storing more materials or finished goods than necessary. Stockpiling raw materials due to bulk purchasing can lead to storage costs and obsolescence. Managing inventory effectively is crucial for reducing waste and improving cash flow. Motion waste refers to unnecessary movement by people. An example is an employee walking across the office multiple times a day to retrieve printer documents. Minimizing motion waste enhances productivity and reduces fatigue in the workplace. Extra processing is doing more work than required. For instance, adding a decorative feature to a product that the customer didn't request or value. Avoiding extra processing ensures resources are used efficiently and aligns with customer needs. Key lean tools include 5S, Kaizen, value stream mapping, Kanban, Polka Yoke, SMED, and standard work. These tools help organizations implement lean principles effectively, driving continuous improvement and operational excellence. 5S is a workplace organization method that includes sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. For example, a manufacturing floor labels tools and assigns specific locations, making it easy to find and return items quickly, enhancing efficiency. Kaizen means continuous improvement through small, incremental changes involving all employees. For example, a customer service team holds daily 10-minute meetings to identify one small process to improve each week, fostering a culture of ongoing enhancement. Value stream mapping, VSM, is a visual tool that documents every step of a process to identify waste and improvement opportunities. For instance, a hospital uses VSM to map patient flow, identifying delays in test result processing and reducing wait times. Kanban is a visual scheduling system that signals when to produce or move items. For example, a software development team uses Kanban boards with cards for each task to manage work in progress and improve flow, ensuring efficient project management. Polka Yoke is a mistake-proofing technique that prevents errors from occurring. For example, a coffee machine is designed so the pod can only be inserted one way, preventing incorrect usage. This approach enhances quality and reduces defects in processes. SMED, or Single Minute Exchange of Dies, is a method for reducing equipment changeover times to under 10 minutes. For example, a factory improves changeover procedures between product batches by organizing tools and pre-setting components, boosting efficiency. Standard work defines the best known method for performing a task, ensuring consistency and efficiency. For example, a call center documents its standard greeting and call handling procedures to ensure uniform customer experience, enhancing service quality. Lean manufacturing offers numerous benefits, including reduced costs, improved product quality, faster delivery times, better employee morale, and greater customer satisfaction. It is a continuous journey requiring commitment, training, and a focus on customer value to succeed.